Mastering homonyms with interactive games. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English homonyms. These words can sometimes be tricky because they sound the same but have different meanings. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some interactive games and exercises to help you master these pairs. So, let's get started. Homonyms are words that have the same pronunciation or spelling but different meanings. For example, the word bat can mean a nocturnal flying mammal, or it can refer to a tool used in sports like cricket or baseball. There are two types of homonyms. 1. Homophones. Words that sound the same but may have different spellings and meanings, such as two, and two. 2. Homographs. Words that are spelled the same but can have different pronunciations and meanings, like lead, to guide, and lead, a type of metal. Understanding the context is key when dealing with homonyms. Because these words can have different meanings, you must pay close attention to the other words and the overall idea in the sentence. The context will usually give you clues about which meaning is intended. Now, let's move on to the fun part, interactive games and exercises. Learning through play is an effective and enjoyable way to understand and remember new vocabulary. Let's look at a few games. 1. Homonym memory match. Create cards with homonyms written on them. Lay the cards face down and try to find matching pairs by remembering where you saw the homonym last. 2. Homonym Pictionary. Divide into two teams. One member from each team draws a picture representing a homonym while their team guesses the word. Remember, the word should have at least two meanings. 3. Homonym sentence creation. Write down various homonyms on pieces of paper. Pick one randomly and try to create a sentence that captures both meanings of the word. For instance, if you picked bat, you might say, "The bat flew out of the cave just as the player swung his bat." Like any language skill, mastering homonyms requires regular practice. The more you use them in your daily life, the easier they will become. Try incorporating the games into your language learning routine, and before you know it, homonyms will be less of a hurdle and more of a help in your English language journey. And that's it for today's exploration of English homonyms. I hope these interactive games and exercises make your learning journey exciting and fun. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning! And I'll see you in our next video where we continue to conquer the English language, one word at a time.